Hello family, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to tour a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom townhouse by Mattamy Homes. So if you're interested in a property that is presently in the low 300s and conveniently located, stick around. Before we look at the home in this community, I want to introduce myself to those of you who don't know me. I'm Sir Ashley, a Charlotte area realtor and investor who is licensed in both North Carolina and South Carolina. And I live, and trust me when I tell you, I live real estate 24/7, and it is my passion, so I enjoy sharing this with you. But please do me a favor and hit that like button. It definitely helps me out. And if you're interested in real estate or money, consider hitting that subscribe button as well. But now I want to ask you all a question. And please leave your answer in the comment section below. The question is, questions are, what do you think of townhouses and would you live in one right now? Please let me know your thoughts. All right, let's move on and talk about this property and the community itself. This townhouse is located in the University City area of Charlotte, and the community is called Galloway Park and it's by Mattamy Homes. With this location, you have easy access to UNC Charlotte and University Research Park. Now, if you haven't heard of University Research Park, it is home to hundreds of businesses ranging from the energy sector to finance to healthcare, also technology. In this area, you also have PNC Music Pavilion, where there are concerts that happen pretty much weekly there. And you're also not too far away from Concord Mills and Charlotte Motor Speedway. Now, Galloway Park offers 2-story floor plans with 3-bedroom, 2.5 up to 3.5 bathroom floor plans. These townhouses also come with 1 or 2 car garages, gourmet kitchen, and a deluxe owner suite. All right, enough talking. Come with me and let's tour the Ava Floor Plan. Now, in the near future, I will be putting out other videos for other floor plans in this community and other Mattamy home communities that have townhouses. Let's go check this out. All right, here we are. This is the Ava Floor Plan. We're gonna go inside and take a look. Now, the Ava Floor Plans are always going to be in the middle. You will not be able to get an in unit. As you see, the Ava Floor Plan is just under 1,600 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Let's go inside. Now, typically when you come inside, you will be coming in through the back way, through your garage, but this is what your guests will be seeing. Come into the living room area, the open kitchen with the large, extra large island where you can entertain everyone. Let's go straight back to what you would see when you come in, which is the garage area. This floor plan has a 2-car garage and there's space under there for 2 more cars. So you can have a total of 4 vehicles right in your driveway and garage. That is very rare for a townhouse community. See the pantry, you have tons of cabinet and storage space right here. And I already mentioned that big island. Seats 4, you can just entertain for days down here. You have your half bath down here. Now let's head upstairs. Now what really gets me about this floor plan is this loft area up here. But in addition to the loft area, the extra large deck. We're about to go take a look at it right now. Can you just imagine and envision yourself coming out here in the fall, even winter, early spring, and summer evenings and just relaxing and enjoying your evening with a glass of wine by yourself or with a group of people? It will just be perfect and ideal. This is an excellent space and you should utilize it completely. I believe this is the best part of this townhouse for me. Let's go inside and take a look at the rest of it. And I don't think you'll be disappointed with the rest of the townhouse, but that is quite unique in most of the townhouses I see here in the Charlotte area. We'll come back to the owner's suite. You have a linen closet out here. A good sized laundry room. I like it that it's away from the owner's suite, so you don't have to worry about hearing the washer and dryer going. You have this shared bath that the guest suites will be using. This is bedroom number 1. Still a good size, perfect for a kid, teenager, more than enough space to put a queen size bed. That is a full size bed, but more than enough space to put a queen size bed. Let's go to bedroom number 2. Now this bedroom is a little smaller. Use it as a toddler's room, a nursery, or as an office. Now let's go ahead and look at the owner's suite. You have the tray ceilings. That's a king size bed, an additional chair in there, so you have more than enough space to relax and enjoy your owner's suite. You have a walk-in shower and a tub. Now the tub is not in every single floor plan, so if you are interested in the Ava Floor Plan, please reach out to us. We would love to help you, and we can reserve or be on the radar for one that has both the full soaking tub as well as the stand-up shower. Dual vanity sinks. So again, this is the Ava Floor Plan, and we're at the Galloway Park community by Mattamy Homes. If you're interested, please reach out to us. My team and I would love to help you and represent you to make sure your interests are covered. The contact information is on the screen. I am Realtor Sir, your local trusted real estate advisor. Take a look at this downstairs one more time. Talk soon.